Hello and welcome back. Here are 3 SEO tips from me to you. Number 1. No SEO or search engine optimization means no visitors from search engines. If you don't do it, then search engines can't categorize and rank your site for your keywords relevant to your business. Number 2. Start doing SEO right now. The longer you leave it to start, the further ahead your competitors will be and the harder it will be to rank higher than them. And finally, number 3. Both on-site and off-site SEO are required. You can't achieve good results doing one without the other. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.